I'm gonna go grocery shopping. You're gonna get the, and then you say something like, I'm gonna go grocery shopping.
I'm gonna get the machines out.
And then we're gonna go get the what are the grandkids? Okay.
No, I don't know.
Okay. I'm gonna go get the cooler full of food.
I'm gonna get the machines.
Then we're gonna go get the cousins.
Babe, I think that was planned. They're not gonna know it was planned.
Could you even audibly understand when I said, and then I'm gonna go get the cousins?
I could.
All right.
Be careful what you wish for. We have been praying for rain and we are supposed to get it later today, but because it's coming in, it is hot and muggy. Oh, it is so thick here. So you people who live in like high humidity, I don't know how you do it. This is probably nothing compared, but we're not used to it. So our high heat and the humidity we have is killing me. But we are getting ready, and Olivia's vacuuming out my truck for me using my favorite tool ever, my DeWalt portable vacuum. It's the coolest tool ever. I wish I'd have bought the model that has the cord or battery. Mine's battery only, so I kind of missed out, but I will link that down in the description down below because it is the coolest tool ever. We are loading up every single piece of machinery we've got. Code, head up there. Hey, you missed. You missed. This is my favorite sight in the entire world. It's all these little machines, all these little helmets, bunch of helmets in that cabinet as well. It honestly just doesn't get any funner than this. This is awesome. I love it. And that smell. I never thought I'd have a trailer that smells like a four-wheeler dealership. Rubber, gas, plastic. That could be a cologne.
Grandpa just said the tree is loaded with bugs. I came out to do roll call. Nope. And they're all up in the tree.
They're all in the tree.
We're gonna do a little roll call so that you know who everybody is. You know this group, they all belong to me, you know them. You guys have seen Zachary. This is Joel's brother, Jeff.
Party on.
You are parentless. This is Cadence. You've seen her. This is Will. You've seen him. He is parentless. This is Smurf Magoose. This is Smurf Magoose. Grayson, he is parentless, and you've only seen him maybe like once or twice, huh? And then you guys know the infamous Grandma and Grandpa Hoellein.
And Lincoln.
And they already know Lincoln. That's boring. Old news.
Okay, just so you guys know, I don't start any four-wheeling trip without a prayer. Just because it's dangerous a little bit, but it's super fun. But I always start a prayer so that we know we're going to be watched over. So, should we do that?
And a word of advice to be safe. We'll go over the rules in a second.
Oh yeah, we'll go over those when we get up.
Okay.
Okay.
Roger, roger.
What's your favorite?
This is White Lightning.
Oh, no.
I think Jeff will be Baby Blue.
What did your dad call himself? Rogue something?
Rogue One.
Dad said Rogue One, but...
Say.
Wait, what you named us?
Okay, Papa
Papa
Smurf.
Smurf. Yeah, Papa Smurf. I like that one. I thought for sure we had a moose in the parking lot. Looks like it's just a couple of cows.
Oh my word! I thought
A baby one.
I thought it was a bear.
We have steaks on the grill.
What?
If it was a bear, I'd be freaking out.
You can catch it. That's lunch.
Well, we've already had an adventure, but there was no filming of this adventure because it was too wild. We were parked in front of like this,
Beehive place.
yeah, ooh, oh, there's another huge bee.
It's called a beehive. There's always gonna be
Of honeybees. There was like boxes of honeybees, and so we weren't really nervous until Grandma got a bee stuck in her hair. I got a bee stuck in my hair. She was calm. I was not flipping my pony around, and that thing just was like ding, ding, ding. We were like, let's get out of here. We're out of here. So we actually found a really great spot up here. This is way better than what we had. It's kind of secluded. There's a nice little spot for the kids to ride circles right here. A great place for the kids to learn. This is great. Guys, the adventures just keep coming. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, don't touch it, Lincoln. Tiffany, the mom at home, here is proof of Zachary on the four-wheeler by himself. Good job. And Grayson, proof that he is on here by himself for the first time. Doing so good. Jared and Camberly, you should be proud. I'll tell you who I'm proud of. This guy manning all the machines. Are you okay? Are you alive? Do you still have your toes?
I almost lost the leg.
No, he literally did. We all know this cutie. Here's Cody.
Nice and light on the gas, okay? A little bit goes a long way. There you go.
All right, Aaron and Jeremiah at home. We've got Will on the machine. He's doing pretty good. Getting comfortable. Grandpa's gonna pop behind and make sure that everything is in check. Excuse me, what did Will say?
Oh, he's so funny to watch ride because he's just like, oh, his mind's going 10 times faster than
He
the machine.
thinks he's a video game.
So he's like, ready for go power, full throttle. And
You're like, no, you are not ready for go power.
it's so funny.
Okay, we've got Cadence, Josh and Amber at home. Is this your more favorite part? What do you like better, the treats or the four-wheeling? He's shaking up his bottle.
Go over there and open it up.
You'll never be able to hear Grayson because of the sound of the machine, but every time he pulls out riding the machine, he makes the noise. Yeah, he makes the noise of the... Oh, he does it with the... Oh, he does it with the horn. His favorite, one of his favorite movies is like the Road Runner. So Boston doesn't usually ride the dirt bike very much, and this is kind of perfect because we've got the fire pit right here, and there's a little bit of weeds around, so it keeps the dust down, and it's really good for the kids to practice. Oh goodness, that makes me a little nervous, you holding that knife. Wow, Cody!
I carved my name. I put Cody, I put my 7 right here, and I put .H.
Oh.
Come over here. It's either a bear or something. Look at all these marks. Put it right here.
Did you honestly not do that?
No, I didn't. Because look what happens when I
Oh my
cut in.
word.
Look, I can't do
It
that.
looks different.
Look, watch. If I cut
Yeah.
in it, it's all green.
Oh,
So it
wow.
must have been an animal because it takes time for that to turn brown. It
Wow.
must be like an animal.
Cody, that's pretty cool. Should I put mine and Dad's initials with a heart?
You've already done it around here. It's down that way. That's what Dad said.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to ask him about that. Your face looks like...
I expected
His initials are carved.
My hand.
on the warming hut.
Look at my hands.
Every morning and every night, looking out of sight. We'll show them we're better than this. I can't explain it, but we don't need words to say. We can learn to walk to get in the way. It'll be okay. It's too shallow to hold your breath, but it's deep enough.
Hold it up high and pour it out.
Window shut with your bleeding heart and your broken love. It'll be okay. I've been remembering all my dreams, but you can't make sense of everything. Okay, it's too shallow to hold your breath, but it's deep enough that you gotta swim. It'll be okay. I learned to walk so I could get in the way. I hope the cool kids watching us now got nothing to say.
You host a mean party, Mr. Hoellein.
Sure do try.
And out.
And out.
I thought having one girl was super helpful. Try having 2. I didn't even have to ask. This is incredible. You can stay forever. Let's not forget about the seriousness of clean up. For the last little bit, we're on cleanup duty. Everyone's getting showers. We're rotating showers. Grandma and Grandpa got a hotel tonight. A few of the kids are over at the hotel taking a shower, and we're just getting things put away, cleaned up. And did you see what happened behind you? the first bloom on our bush.
It wasn't there last night, and when I came running this morning, it was. So I kind of want to put like I wish I had an all-night time lapse. I'd put it on. It'd be amazing.
The kids played outside for a good, what, 3 hours? And they've recently moved the party to the basement. There are kids upon kids down here. You guys, thank you for hanging out with us. Please go to bed before like midnight. I'm a little worried how the whole like sleeping situation's gonna go. It's fine. It's gonna be fine. The biggest fight I think all day is not who's gonna ride the four-wheeler, not who's gonna ride home in whose truck. It's what movie they're gonna watch. And if I left the camera on long enough, you'll hear him down there. And all I can hear is Lincoln saying, Sandlot, Sandlot, Sandlot.
Lincoln, you're lucky to be awake.
Yeah, Lincoln, you be quiet. Anyway, we're gonna close the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.